Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside 2K25, open settings, and go straight to video or display. You do this because resolution and refresh rate can alter motion blur behavior. Once there, enable advanced graphics or expert mode to expose hidden toggles. Make sure your refresh rate matches your monitor to avoid misleading blur. Now locate the motion blur entry. Don't change anything else yet. You want a clean baseline so later adjustments behave predictably. You now toggle motion blur to off or drag the slider to 0. This is the core action that eliminates the smearing effect during movement. Why 0? Because partial values still interpolate frames and leave artifacts. Once adjusted, check other related settings like film grain, temporal AA, and camera shake because they can mimic blur. If your change doesn't take effect, apply settings, exit to desktop, then relaunch the game to force the profile to reload properly. Finish by testing in a high motion sequence to verify clarity. If things look sharp, you're done. If motion blur persists, inspect your GPU control panel and any overlays, some force post-processing that reintroduces blur. Make sure game profiles aren't overridden by vendor settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, update your GPU drivers and, if needed, reset the game's graphics preset to default, then reapply your changes. This clears corrupted profiles that can.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.